shows you how to add data to the checklist file in Omega Maintenance software. A PM checklist is a detailed list of things to be done during preventive maintenance, and for our software, each checklist must be given a name. From the main control panel, select Related Data Files, then select View or Edit Checklist to open the checklist library. The checklist library shows the checklist names on the left and the checklist details on the right. If this is the first time you're adding data to this file, you will notice that there is one checklist called None that is already stored in the checklist library. This is the default checklist name that is preloaded into the software before it is shipped. Do not delete or edit this name. There are two options to add data to the checklist library. Option 1 is where you add data manually, one equipment at a time, and option 2 is where you copy the data for several equipment from an Excel file and paste the data directly into the program. For option 1, type a new checklist name on the left of the form and press Save to store the name. On the right of the form, enter the checklist details. Now, there are 6 columns used to store the checklist details. The check number column determines the order in which the checks will be displayed. The PM checks is the action to be taken during the maintenance. Columns F1 to F4 represent 4 possible preventive maintenance frequencies. Place an X in column F1 to indicate that PM checks must be done at frequency F1. Place an X in column F2 to indicate that PM checks must be done at frequency F2. This single checklist can therefore record PM checks for up to 4 independent PM frequencies. If you already have data stored in Excel, you can format and paste the data directly into the program. Copy the data from the Excel file, then return to the checklist form. Paste the data. For option 2, there are 2 steps. In step 1, copy and paste all the checklist names into the program. For step 2, click on the Excel icon to reveal the data entry form. Print the Excel template. For this example, I have already added some checklist data in the Excel template as shown. Copy the data from the Excel file, then return to the checklist form. Paste the data. Press Help at any time to get additional help with this feature, and thanks for watching.